what is the position regarding commissions payable to the broker or the strata manager? Are we entitled to know the rate of commission paid?
Absolutely. So as the client, the broker has a duty to disclose that to you. You should definitely ask what the commission structures are. I know that in New South Wales, it's required to be disclosed, the commission structure on AGM papers. What you may not find disclosed fully is that there can be profit shares which are not classed as commissions, which are buried in financial services guides. But if you know what the commission and broker fee the broker gets, that will help inform you around whether it is or isn't reasonable. The standard industry commission within a strata policy is 20%. But what we are finding at the moment is that some commissions are as much as 20% commission and 20% fee. And obviously that has a very, very big impact on the cost of insurance for the lot owners. So I would always suggest informing yourself, asking the strata manager and broker to provide transparency around their fees and commissions.
Okay, and we had a couple of comments come in. I think it's a New South Wales strata manager from what I can gather. And Debbie's just saying strata managers normally include the commission as part of their base fee. Base fee is normally set with the understanding that this would be received, and if not, then the base fee will go up. And then she also comments, New South Wales commission percentage has to be disclosed in our agency agreement.
Yeah, so it is disclosed. And look, obviously this is, you know, these are commercial discussions you have with your strata manager. I know that there are ones out there that, you know, don't take commissions and are happy to discuss the fee. And maybe what it means is that their fees differ to those that do include a commission into their strata management fees. So it's definitely something. I think the point I'm making is know what your fees and commissions are. And obviously your contracts come up every 1 or 3 years. And those are things that you can discuss with your strata manager in the renewal of your contracts.